I've installed 3 kilowatt solar panels from Sun Edison, which you can see backside. Hi, my name is Raj Yadhav. I have installed 3 kilowatt solar panels from Sun Edison, which you can see backside. Actually, I have suggested them for a high-rise structure, which costed me some extra money. It's about almost 2 years completed. So I'm going to give the review of my installation about Sun Edison, the brand I have preferred, and why 3 kilowatt and all in this video. As you can see, in Hyderabad, today is 28th. It's totally cloudy. There is a misconception that solar panels does not produce an electricity in rainy seasons. I'll be showing you how much it will be generating now. The inverter is installed near the meter at downstairs. So high-rise structure is approximately 2.5 meter height, and there is a earthing arrest over there, which should hide solar panels. So after installing the panels, I have added this pump to clean the solar panels using this stand. Well, the panels should be cleaned once in every 2 weeks, as the area has less dust. I used to clean monthly once. Due to the rains, the panels are clean now. As I told you, I have installed a Sun Edison inverter plant and all. You can see power is generating around 980 watts. Information: total units generated are 7,301 units. And this month, being the rains, it has generated 229 kilowatt. Last month it was 384 kilowatt. And it's connected to the meter, which is net meter, provided by the government of Telangana, which is L&T make. And if you can see, the total units I have received is 6,288. I have exported 6,288 and received 7,768 from them. So difference units I have paid my electricity bill. In spite of cloudy, it's generating around 1270 to 1280 watts of electricity at present. I would say okay for the Sun Edison, more than happy by their service. And you can see this dongle through which I can use an app in which all the details, generation, how many units generated, etc. will be shown in the app Sun Edison. Thank you.